Hello everyone! I would like to share how to make Italian coffee, and this is my coffee maker. This one, MOKA, Italian MOKA coffee maker. Now I open this, and this one, water inside the water for coffee, and then this one is like this. This is my coffee. But this is illy Italian coffee like this. And then one, two, three. Okay, like this. Smells good. Then I press this like this. This is MOKA Italian coffee maker. I also have electric coffee maker, but I'm not very sure this is a very traditional coffee maker in Italy. Now I think it is start. Look, the coffee is starting to fall out. Would like to share well how is it like this, the coffee. That one, look. Okay, ready. So guys, this is how I make coffee in Italy. This is Italian coffee, MOKA coffee maker, Italian coffee maker. That's it. Finished. So I'm going to have coffee now. Coffee time, break time. I have a very little cup for my coffee, like this. Would like to show it very well how my coffee is. Look, black coffee, and this is sugar, white sugar, just half little amount of milk. Guys, this is milk. Look. I would like to add a little amount of milk. Like this. So, ready to drink my Italian coffee. Biscuits with pistachio. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Ring the bell for the notifications from YouTube. Bye-bye.